Today I guide you through something that confuses so many people. Which hair oil actually suits your hair type and hair porosity best? Because nope, not every hair oil is good for everyone. And choosing the wrong ones might cause more harm than good. So let's get into that. Hi, I'm Shanta from Cosmetic Nerd. Welcome to my Holistic Beauty Corner. Hair oils have been used in holistic beauty tradition for centuries to nourish, protect and balance the hair and scalp. But the effect of an oil strongly depends on your hair type, your hair porosity and even the climate conditions you are living in. If you haven't seen my videos explaining the Andrew Walker hair typing system or how to find out your hair porosity, please check them here and I will also link them below. It's really helpful and also necessary if you want to pick the right oil for your individual hair type. Just a quick recap for now. Hair types range from 1A, which is straight hair, to 4C, which is tight coily hair. Your hair porosity refers to how well your hair can absorb and retain moisture and products. In low porosity hair, the cuticle is tightly closed, which makes it difficult for water and products to penetrate this barrier. So water usually sits on top and it takes a long time to absorb. In normal porosity hair or medium porosity hair, this is balanced. The cuticle is slightly opened and moisture entering and retaining is balanced. High porosity hair has a very open cuticle. That can be because of genetic properties, but an open cuticle leading to high porosity hair can also be the result of damaging hair care treatments. High porosity hair absorbs moisture and products really well, but cannot retain it due to the open structure and loses them as fast as it absorbs them. In order to make it easier for you to pick the right hair oil for your individual hair type, I have created this handy chart. Let's walk through it together. On the x-axis we have the hair types, 1A to 4C, which I have grouped to make it more clear into just 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are individually grouped into low, medium and high porosity. On the y-axis we have the most commonly basic oils. The most lightweight oils are in the upper part of the table, and then the heaviness and viscosity of the oils increases the more we get to the bottom of the table, with heavy oils and butters. So if you have determined your hair porosity and hair type as initially suggested, you can use this chart to pick the right hair oil for your hair. Green means wonderful match, good choice. Red means avoid these oils because they are rather too light or too heavy. Orange means not ideal but can work great in some cases. For example, grapeseed oil, which is a very lightweight oil rich in unsaturated linoleic acid. It's great for low to normal porosity in straight to wavy hair. On the other hand, there's shea butter, which is a thick and deeply nourishing butter. This is best for type 3 to 4 high porosity hair. One exception I would like to point out here, which is the broccoli seed oil. This is basically suitable for every hair type and every hair porosity. This wonderful lightweight oil adds shine without heaviness. Broccoli seed oil is a wonderful natural alternative to silicones without having all the negative effects of the silicones, which is cloaking your hair and cloaking your scalp and polluting the water. I personally love to use argan oil and jojoba oil after washing for my 2B medium porosity hair. This chart is considering pure, organic, unroasted oils, not commercially available oils that claim to contain pure oils but actually mostly consist of a variety of just silicones. Also keep in mind that some oils perform differently depending on the weather. Coconut oil, for example, solidifies in cold climates and can stiffen fine hair. You can also mix oils for tailored results. A great tip is combining light oils like grapeseed oils with richer oils like avocado for balanced nourishment. Please like, share and subscribe if you get value from my content. I hope this helped you to discover the perfect oil for your individual hair. If you're not sure about your hair porosity or hair type, check out my videos linked below. It was great to hang out with you today. Stay kind to yourself and to your hair. I'm looking forward to see you next time on Cosmetic Nerd.